What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. And on today's episode, we're taking a deep dive into SUNLU's glow-in-the-dark PETG, where it glows from white to green. So I've done some of the SUNLU's PETG glow-in-the-dark on the channel before. They were all, ones that were like green to yellow to red to orange, and blue to blue. This one's a slightly different one. This is marketed as white. I'm going to talk a little bit more about that as you see the full test prints, but to my eye it's more transparent than is white. Anyway, here at Legal Automations we always end up drying our filament. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done for at least 6 hours, so I will see you shortly for the generic benchy. Alright, so if you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy with the generic settings in Bamboo Studio, in this case, PETG. So this should take a little over an hour, for it, and we got that all sliced up. So we're going to go ahead and get that done, along with all the other test prints that we do here at Legal Automations, for this particular filament. So let's go ahead and get that done. Alright, so we have all those test prints finished up, and we can go ahead and start taking a look. Like, as I said, it doesn't really look super, much like a white. It looks, again, more like a transparent PETG filament. But anyway, we have the first benchy that we printed out with the generic settings. So as you can see here, this gives you a good overview of the filament itself. Again, it's very much off-white, which I'm guessing is because of the whatever powder or thing that they use in order to make sure that it glows. That's added throughout the filament. So, but overall, I'd say pretty good. Maybe a little bit of overhang, some stringiness that we're going to see about rectifying. Next up, we have the dimensional cube, and this one is 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed. This one, no real major issues there. Relatively good. Next up, we have the temperature tower, and for this one, 240 looks like it is is the best. It could go to 245. I'd say 245. 245 has less globbing there, so we're gonna put 245 and use that for the rest of the way. Next up, we have the retraction test. The retraction test did have a little bit of stringing, so we just had to modify a couple things there. Next up, we had the max volumetric speed test. This one performed beautifully at 28 millimeters per second cubed. No real major issues there. The overhang test. This overhang test turned out very well. Was able to handle up to 80 degrees and no real issues. Next up, we got those things dialed in and reprinted the benchy. As I said, looks good. I mean, for this, and was able to deal with stringing. So as of time of filming, this can be had over at Amazon for $24.99. It is a little bit more expensive than their usual PETG, and I just kind of attribute that to SUNLU adding glow in the dark filament, and it's a very specific use case. So anyway, my overall thoughts, here's the filament as it looks. I'd say pretty good. I'm going to have a thing where I show what it, how it glows and everything like that. But again, this is sort of off-white, but if you're in the need for a white filament that glows green, this is something that you can take a look at. Overall, I'd say it's pretty good. No real major, like I said, no real major issues there. Anyway, if you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I'm just trying to get back. So I'm cutting out the lights here so you can see exactly how it looks, even under the studio lights that we have. It still manages to glow a little bit. I'm going to supercharge the benchy, though, with a UV flashlight that I have, just so that way it gives a sense of like how much that this light can go. So I apologize, or how much this can emit from it, and it gives you a better sense of the green that it glows. It doesn't really, it looks more green in person than it does on camera. For whatever reason, my camera was showing up with a slightly bluish hue. But again, it looks a touch more green. Anyway, if you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe to Legal Automations. It really does help. This has been SUNLU PETG in white that glows to green. So, you know, if you're looking at this type of filament, highly recommend. Anyway, I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Hope to see you in the next episode. Thanks.